everybody, it's Liz from Pieces Quilt Shoppe. And today is the big reveal of what we're going to do with that space. And I see the people behind the camera looking. You can come on over. So come on, we are going to show you what we got going on. We got to be careful because Gimpy's got her boot off, and I don't need her getting herself in trouble.
Look at, I got a sneaker on.
You got a sneaker on today. Okay, so we're going to open her up. Come on in. Let's see what we got going on.
All right.
So, we still few things. So we still haven't decided what to do at this spot yet. I can turn the lights on. We do see we have a machine on the floor. Hint, hint, not a hint. And look, looks like somebody's ironing. Come on through.
Note to self, don't go too far back.
Yeah, no. Oh wow, what do we have here?
Cheers to the
Cheers!
Oh,
Yay! First class.
Cheers!
Yay! First class in our brand new classroom.
And it's beautiful.
Is it?
Yes.
Tell me what you think.
The lighting is great.
Yeah,
The
the room is
cutting
good.
boards, everything is
Room
perfect.
Yep.
Lots more room.
Cheers.
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 Cheers. So we still at the front. We haven't decided what to do with yet. We're on the fence about that. We're going to let the customers let us know what they think about that. And show them in here.
Oh, yeah,
They have
open
another
the bathroom
ironing
door
station
right
for
now.
the moment. They have their
Little
coffee
kitchenette.
in their little kitchenette. And yes, for those of you who
There's
somebody in there.
somebody's in the bathroom. Sorry.
So there's the bathroom.
There is a bathroom.
We'll knock next time. Sorry.
And Karina went and bought extra slim trash buckets. Very brand new.
Super fancy.
It's a work in progress, so Nicole's gonna, this is the test run class. The Tuesday women, some of our favorite people,
today too.
small group, got to test out the classroom, and they're gonna tell Nicole what we forgot, what we're missing, what we need. We have a long wish list, which we will work through, but we also have a big show coming up in like 2 weeks, and that takes a little precedence over our new classroom. We're gonna try hard. Come on over here. Look, we got more seats.
All right.
Now, you might be able to convince Nicole to let you in one of her classes. Hint, hint. Okay.
First in class.
We have a new cutting station over here. Okay, check it out. 2 people can cut at this at the moment.
And
Right?
we have
We have some
been
storage.
already-
We are gonna fix the broken shelf. We're taking
Somebody's
it
been very busy.
out. Somebody's been, yeah, been very busy. Nicole's been very busy setting it all up.
So
We're
I'm
working on making sure we have enough rolly chairs for everybody.
Yep.
Everybody likes rolly chairs. Right? And we got sun. Today is a rainy day, right?
It's
And look
still
at how
very
much
bright.
lights. We're very bright in here.
Right.
And Nicole has asked for a design wall on this back wall. I'm not sure how she wants to set it up. So we'll have some design wall pieces. You could probably put one there too, Nicola. On that section.
Yep.
Right? I mean, I guess you could even put some right in there.
It's lots of
You
naked
know what I mean?
walls.
Lots of naked wall. We'll make sure she has her design walls up. Right?
Mhm.
And then we have a back door. We have. So.
Escape hatch to the.
No, if you want to come in the back, if there's
Yep.
no parking in the front, there's also parking in the back.
Yep.
Right? So what do you ladies think? Tell everybody.
Like it. I
I
really
love it.
like it.
So the poor Wednesday Studio 180 class has to wait all the way till April 16th
They do.
to try this classroom. Wow, wow. Sorry guys, but you can dream through our videos, right?
Yes.
What anyone
Just
think?
something to look forward to.
I like the floor
exciting.
better than the carpeting.
Yes, well the landlord did that. Because this was originally going to be shipping and receiving because it was not in pristine condition. And then, when we agreed to rent it, she redid the whole thing. And then I'm like, I can't put shipping and receiving in it. It's too nice. It's just too nice. I can't do that in this building.
Well,
this,
we are
'cause this has a
doing that,
history.
right?
This building was built in what, the 1800s, I think, right? It has some history. We won't go into that right now, but it does have some history to it. So it's a beautiful building. Nick and I have always liked this. It's called the Stone Cottage, and it has stone out front. And Bill's gonna hang his quilts out front. We're gonna get some rocking chairs for the men. They can sit out front while the women
We have
shop.
lunch out there.
Right? We gotta have lunch out there. Yeah, we're gonna get a table and chairs, and yeah, it'll be cool.
Yeah.
So anyway, I don't have anything else to say except, what do you think we should do with the front part of that room? Chime on in, because some of you were close. Classroom, classroom, classroom. What did you say?
Long arms.
Long arms is what our friend says. So, Okay, see you later.